Hey, good evening everyone. So guys, join us kasi this one, TWGT, Geisha Blossom Tea, Geisha Blossom Tea is a gift from Christine for our 30th wedding anniversary. And mag-brew tayo ngayon. So, tuturuan ako ni Tin kung paano ako mag-brew ng tea na to. So, first, siya muna ang gagawa. So, come on, Tin. Let's do it. Let's brew tea from TWG. So, you're on vlog, my dear. Go. So, we have the teapot. How to open. And guys, we bought this from BGC. We just came from BGC. Oh, it smells so good. Pinaamoy sa akin ni Christine. So, ang bango niya. Yes, I like it. So, walang edit to, Tin. Dire-diretso to.
Hindi ka muna. Hindi, kinatika pa.
Ay, si bangkat. Ito, ha? Yun yung maganda eh. Yung walang cut, dire-diretso lang. So, ayaw pa sabi ni Tin kung magkano yan. Pero sasabihin ko, nasa 2,900 plus. Ayan. So, no cut ito. Anniversary gift. And kasi I love tea. So, alam ni Christine na gusto kong uminom ng tea. Especially during night time. So, brewing now. Smells so good. Ang klaseng tea yan. Geisha Blossom Tea. So, kakaiba yung smell niya. Tingnan nyo naman yung mga dahon, guys. Iba-ibang klaseng dahon ng tea. Kulang siya. Okay, tama na daw yan. So, makialam. So, makialam, tinuturo. Okay, may level pala yan. Tinuturuan lang naman ako. So,
Sige kasi ako siya.
okay, so huwag isasagad kasi aapaw. So, hanggang dyan lang. Okay, bubuhusan lang ng hot water and then allow it to brew for 3 minutes. Okay, so hintay tayo ng 3 minutes.
Hey Siri, set timer for 3 minutes.
Oh, nag-start na ng 3 minutes sa Siri. Okay, so ito guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo to. Itong TWGT. So may iba-iba pala, klase pala siya. So ang dami. You know, red, African, Bale, tea. Tapos yung isa, ano to? Ang liit, Yoshu. So, this one also is Singapore breakfast tea. This one is breakfast Yoshu TKA. African Bale tea. Red of Africa tea. And we also have French Earl Grey. So, we also have hindi ko mabasa, Sahara tea. And the white one, White House tea. And also, Moroccan mint tea. So, yun yung mga tea na pwede nyong mabili dito sa TWG. Okay, House Couture Tea Collection. Okay. So, may 3 minutes na ba? Just showing you this, guys. Yung kanyang pamphlet. Yung small brochure niya. Ito, ang ganda ng color, oh. Pink. I like pink. New York breakfast tea. So, guys, tingnan nyo yung packaging niya. So, ito yung packaging niya, guys. Ganda. So, that's how it looks like. And, open mo lang siya dito. Ito, kunin lang natin to. Open mo nga to, anak. Yan. Buksan mo nga. Okay. Ayan. And, grabe, ganda ng mga tea leaves niya. Yung tea leaves niya, iba-ibang color. Smell natin. Bango. Fruity ang smell niya. Fruity ang smell and ang bango. Okay, so while waiting for 3 minutes, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung aking view dito sa terrace. Ayan. So, this is our view.
Don't block the prayer.
Yeah, may naglalaro ng Tetris. Yan, guys. So, this is our view here in Grass Residences. And, yan, okay na raw. So, pasok tayo ulit. May naglalaro ng Tetris. So, happy anniversary, Mr. Nathaniel. Okay, so, and here it is. It's done. Okay, time to taste it. Taste natin siya kung talagang itong TWG na yan ay worth the price. Is it worth the price? Look at that. Pwede ulitin? Sayang eh. Can we just reuse it or brew it again later? Don't throw it, Yaya, para ma-brew ulit natin yan. Okay, so how does it look? Okay, so it's tea time. Tea time tayo ngayon. And let's taste this. Okay, I'm going to taste it first. Okay, let's try it. Ganda ng relo. I-flex natin yung relo.
Thank you po sa nagbigay. Madam Engineer.
Christine. Massage delicious. Delicious. Yes, sir. Okay, that's all, guys. Thanks for watching my simple vlog. It's 9 minutes already, so look at it now. Cheers. Okay, bye everyone. Thanks for watching my simple vlog. See you around. Please stay safe, healthy, and always blessed. Bye.